What's up, Persona babes, and welcome back to the Persona Cosmetics YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about our latest launch, which is the Season 1 lip glosses. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know before you get your hands on it, so let's get into it and jump right in. So let's start with why lip glosses. So initially we launched the Season 1 liquid mattes, and those are amazing, but I know that liquid matte lipsticks aren't for everyone for every single day, and so I wanted to make sure that we came out with a lip gloss that was super nourishing and comfortable and something you can just effortlessly throw on every single day, but also can be layered with mattes, cream lipsticks, just something you can wear day or night. I'm gonna go into packaging first. For the Season 1 lip glosses, we wanted to make sure that we gave you a bundle because I know that with the mattes, that was a highly requested thing. And so again, for the glosses, we just wanted to make sure that you guys had a bundle option. So you're gonna get the trio in a bundle, and it looks like this. I love the packaging. I just love how everything turned out. Very simple, but still playful and very much just us. In addition to the bundle, you can also get these individually, and the individual packages definitely match the bundle. And as you can see, again, it's super simple, and it also matches our matte packaging, which is really cool, so that it's all just cohesive. We're launching a nude collection first, so you're gonna get 3 different nudes, and these are so beautiful and they flatter so many different skin tones. We did a photo shoot and all of the models rocked all 3 shades so beautifully, but these are just versatile nudes and again look beautiful on so many different skin tones. So we wanted to keep our traditional vanilla scent. These have just a very slight vanilla scent, so it's not overpowering. Again, I wanted to make sure that it was something that you can use every day and not get like tired of the scent, the feel. So the scent is definitely very mild. So these are infused with lots of amazing ingredients. My favorite is the avocado oil. We've got shea butter. We also have almond oil. So these are just, again, such rich oils that make your lips just feel really nice. It almost feels like a lip balm, but has the sort of shine of a lip gloss, which is exactly what I wanted. And the more you rub your lips together, the more the ingredients sort of activate and the more comfortable it gets throughout the day. So I definitely love it. So these lip glosses are made in the USA. Again, very nourishing. They're cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free. We just wanted to make sure that they were as clean as possible. You know, again, infused with really great oils that would feel amazing on your lips, just feel really comfortable for every day. So all of these shades have just a little bit of shimmer in them, and the reason why I wanted that is because shimmer reflects with light and it creates more of a glossy finish. Although when you put it on, as you can see, it's so subtle that you can't even see the shimmer. I just didn't want this to feel metallic or overpowering so that you can wear it every day. But when you look at the component, you are gonna see slight shimmer, and when you put it on, you're gonna just see a very, very slight sort of that beautiful shine, but it's not overpowering, like I said. So I love that effect. Yeah, it looks beautiful on its own, just on your bare lips, and it also looks beautiful layered with different products. I love layering honey with OG. I just feel like together they look beautiful. So if you have a favorite matte, you can just throw this over it and change up the look and change up the finish. You can also layer these with creamy lipsticks to make them a little bit more richer and more glossier. So they're definitely buildable. You can layer them or you can wear them on their own. So these retail for $16 each, and then if you get the bundle, it's $36, and they're launching on March 7th on personacosmetics.co, and then Ulta's website we will launch on March 10th, so stay tuned. I will have a lot of links and more information in the description box in case I miss anything here. So before I get into the colors, I'm going to talk about the applicator because as you can see, it's different from our liquid mattes. This one's going to be a little bit more bendable. It's very, very soft. It's just great for a gloss because it just glides on the lips. So if you own our liquid mattes, the applicator is a little bit more precise, perfect to get a color in to make sure that you don't kind of run all over the place, and it's again just very, very precise. This one, however, is just more on the softer side. You want it to feel very comfortable and lush when you're putting it on. So I'm gonna start with Honey. It is just a stunning shade. I love this on its own or paired with OG, like I said. It's just a beautiful nude for light to medium skin toned. Although when we had our photo shoot or video shoot, we had Josie, our model, wear it, and she's got more of a dark skin tone and it looked beautiful on her. It just looked a little bit lighter than it would obviously on a light to medium skin tone. But Honey is just Such a stunning shade, great for every day. Okay, so next I'm gonna talk about peach. Peach is something that I'm wearing right now. It's just such a stunning shade. I love that all of these shades are sheer, so they're not super pigmented. That way you can wear them alone, like I said, or layer them. So as you can see, the peach hue is there and you can see it, but it's not overpowering. I don't personally love opaque lip glosses. I think sometimes it's hard to work with opaque lip glosses. They're a little bit too overwhelming depending on like what look you're wearing, and then they also can kind of run and get all over the place. So I personally like more of like a sheer finish. So I wanted to make sure that these had color, but they weren't super pigmented and super opaque. So this is peach. It looks beautiful on light to medium skin tone, and then when Josie wore it, again, she's got a darker skin tone and her lips are a little bit more pigmented. The peach came through so beautifully. It actually looked more peach on her than it did on me, and I was like, wait a minute, this looks so much better on you. So yeah, they definitely flatter a lot of different skin tones. Last but not least, we've got Toffee, and Toffee is more of a darker nude. So if you see the comparison between Honey and Toffee, you can clearly see that it's about, I would say, 2 to 3 shades darker than Honey. What's great about this is that when I wear it, it looks very 90s. But yeah, this is just a beautiful nude with more of like a reddish brown undertone. And again, sheer, buildable. And the sparkles in this is a little bit more because I did want this to be a little more kind of out there and shining a little more. So sometimes I'll even like layer them together. If I think that Honey looks a little too light, I'll just layer this with Honey and it just looks a little darker. I love wearing this on its own. It looks very 90s. I just think it looks really beautiful. So this is what it looks like on light to medium skin tone, and then on a darker skin tone, it looks like more of a true nude, which I love. So I think I covered everything. I really hope you guys are just as excited as we are about our next launch. We've worked so hard and so long for this, so I hope you guys are excited. Definitely follow us on Persona's Instagram because we're going to be sharing a lot of looks and how you can wear them, and different skin tones also wearing the look. So make sure to follow us, and also let us know if you want to see more shades in the collection. We are thinking of releasing a couple more shades, so just definitely let us know if there's like a shade you would love to see in the collection. Make sure to check the description box for more information and details in case I missed anything, and also make sure to leave me some feedback in the comment section below. I'll be down there for the next hour or so answering comments, so I'll see you down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. I can't believe we're continuing to launch products. I'm just so happy and excited that you guys are part of the journey and are just as excited with every single launch that we've had. Thank you. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys. Before you get them with, this is